Hi everybody, Lance from thetatraders.com here. This quick video, it's 3/14/24. Happy Pi Day. Put trying to see it. Pi Day is on the calendar. Gotta go get some pie. They have pizza, small pizzas for $3.14. Let me just hang this back up. $3.14 pizza. We've been doing Pi Day like every day forever. Radioactive Man said Happy Pi Day, so I'm gonna send him this video. And I'm going to show you a CL safeguard trade I'm going to do. I just closed a recent one out, really good profit, so I'm going to look to re-enter it. Let's share a little screen. And it's going to look around 90 or so days because I just did a 63-day. Look at the 92 days out. I typically look for a one with. I go around 0.25 delta or so. Let's see what the 73 buy it, 72 sell it. Costs about $250. Then I want to make at least double that. So I usually go around 0.05 delta or so. 60 strikes still should be okay with the 80. 0.05 delta, I could take in 33. I'm going to do two of those still. So take the 60. Two. Probably get around $440 off the trade total. Buying power is about 3,700. Leave at least 6,000 total for extra cash on the side for it. And you get a one with a debit spread, make an extra $1,000 possibly on the max profit. So I'm going to try to fill this. I'm going to do the put debit spread first. See if we can fill around 24, 25. Working. Probably have to go to 25 on it. Come on, 25. Let's not pay 27. 25 is filled. I was pretty sure it was going to happen because I said that before. All right. I did one, right? Yeah, I did one. All right, now I'm going to look for 0.05 delta, the 60 strike. I should get at least 33 for it. Let's sell two of those. Let's try 34. Come on, 34. Working. I'll take the 33 if I need to. Already filled. Let me double check. Phil, like Phil Dunphy and Modern Family. Good show, by the way. Let me just double check. I think it should be in my positions. All right, we're good. I'm going to group these. So based on spreadsheet, we're at line 30. So group those under line 30, SG line 30. And we're all good. So again, selling two of the 60 puts 92 days out, trying to get at least 0.33 for those. And then buy a put debit spread, the 73, 72, pay about 240, 250 for that. I'm going to do this now, close position on the nakeds at 0.03. We have about a 90% gain on it. Good till cancel it because it's not going to happen today unless I'm insanely lucky. View and send away. So let's just look at the math here. If this works out, I paid 25, 250 on the debit. I took in 34 of the credit. So I took in 340. There's two of them, times that by two. I took in 680 on the naked puts. I'm going to like to close these at $30 each. There's two of them. Subtract 60 from that. So on the naked put side, I'd make $620. I also have to debit the 250 on the debit spread. So looking to make around $370 off the trade. You need about 6,000 or so in your buying power plus cash on the side. Make sure to expand margin, you leave that extra cash available. about 6% in 3 months, a little over 2% in a month, which is good. And it could possibly make another $1,000 more because the put debit spread, if we go below 72, would make an extra 1K. And then with the 1K, it would be 1370. And that's a 22.8% return in 3 months. I'll take that every day if I could. And that is the safeguard for a while. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you're at datatraders.com, leave a comment on the Discord channels or one-on-one DM me. If you're interested in these type of trades, you can join at datatraders.com. You want to have a good rest of the pie day and eat your not only dessert pie, but pizza pie if you want. You're allowed. It's pie day. Where are we going?